How does textile recycling turn old clothes into new fashion? Imagine turning something you no longer wear into a fresh new piece for your wardrobe. That's what textile recycling is all about. It's a process that helps us shop more sustainably and make smarter choices about fashion. When clothes are recycled, they don't just end up in a landfill. Instead, they go through a series of steps that give them a second life as new fabrics and garments. First, old clothes are collected through donation centers, store take-back programs, or recycling bins. Once gathered, they are sorted carefully by material type: natural fibers like cotton and wool, and synthetic fibers like polyester and nylon. Clothes that are still in good shape might be resold or donated, while damaged or unusable items are sent for recycling. There are two main ways to recycle textiles: mechanical and chemical recycling. Mechanical recycling involves shredding the fabric into tiny fibers, then cleaning and respinning those fibers into yarn. This method works well for natural fibers but can make the fibers shorter, which might affect the quality of the fabric. Chemical recycling is more advanced. It breaks down fibers at the molecular level, removing impurities like zippers, buttons, and plastic content. The purified material is then turned back into new fibers that can be spun into yarn and woven into fabric. Once the fibers are ready, they are processed in textile mills much like virgin fibers. They are cleaned, aligned, spun into yarn, and woven or knitted into fabric. This fabric can then be dyed and finished to create new clothing items such as jackets, blouses, or pants. From a women's fashion point of view, textile recycling is a game changer. It cuts down on landfill waste and reduces the need for water and pesticides used in growing new cotton. It also allows brands to create stylish, eco-friendly clothing that appeals to conscious shoppers. When you donate old clothes or choose brands that use recycled fabrics, you're helping close the loop in fashion. This means turning discarded garments into new, desirable pieces. So, in simple terms, textile recycling transforms old clothes into new fashion by collecting, sorting, breaking down fibers either mechanically or chemically, and then making new fabric. It's a smart way to keep fashion sustainable, reduce waste, and make more ethical choices for your wardrobe.